Yo guys, this is BIONT, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make deep house in the style of Sonny Fodera. In particular, we're going to remake his new track, Lost Thoughts, which he made together with Vintage Culture. This is how it sounds if you haven't checked it out yet. Before starting with the video though, don't forget to do all that good stuff to support these FLPs. Like this video, subscribe to the channel and comment down below if you got any suggestions for future videos. But now, without any further talking, let's get straight into the video. As always guys, let's get started with the drums. Now let's add another layer. Alright guys, so now let's move to the clubs. As you might recognize, this one is sampled from the original, as I thought it was quite hard to get exactly the same sample, but now let's add some more layers. This one is adding a little bit more stereo width. This one has a simple pre-shifted clap. And this is more of a higher layer. Great, so now let's move to the open hats. Let's see how they sound. Now we're adding more of a shaker kind of layer. And then we have the last layer, which is just thickening up the sound. So let's see how it sounds. Then we're adding some shakers, so let's see how they sound. This pattern is made of 2 layers, let's hear them one by one. Then we're adding some closed hats. And this is how they sound alone. Then guys, for the final layers, we just have some percussion layers. So let's see how they sound all together. And now let's go through each layer one by one. We just have a simple closed hat reinforce, a rim shot, and this classic 909 open hat, which is adding a lot more groove to the drums. And now guys, let's hear the drums all together. Alright guys, so now let's go to the really interesting stuff, starting from the bass. Let's see how it sounds alone. This bass sound is made of 4 layers, let's hear them one by one. We have the first main layer, which is this kind of UK style bass, just reshaped in a new way. Then we have this simple sub. Then we have this layer, which is helping a lot reinforce the mid-low area. And then we have this final layer, which is instead helping a lot with the stereo image of the bass. And now guys, let's add the final element to the track, which is, as always, effects and ambiances. Let's see how they sound alone. We have these 2 very simple layers, which are a simple string and this synth lead. Let's hear them one by one. Alright guys, so now as always for the final step, let's just slap some effects on the master channel. Alright guys, so now we're finally done also with this project. As always, don't forget to check out the link in the description to get this FLP completely for free. But now, without any further talking, let's get straight into the final result.
You